Hello and welcome to the daily message for this second Sunday of Easter. Today I want to just reflect briefly on the first reading for today's liturgy. It comes from the second chapter of the Acts of the Apostles, and it describes in very idealistic terms the Jerusalem community. And notice what it says about them. It says that they devoted themselves to the teaching of the apostles, and to the communal life, to the breaking of bread and to the prayers, that there were many signs and wonders done through the apostles, that they shared all their possessions in common. And what we see here is an enactment, a living out of the message of Jesus in the kingdom of God, the reign of God. I've said in my talks that the reign of God was characterized by four things: by healing, by shared meals, by trust, and by radical equality. And notice in this reading how each of these is portrayed. First, there is healing in the reign of God. There are many signs and wonders that are done through them. In the first week, in the readings from Acts, in the first week of Easter, we heard about healings that were performed by the apostles. This is a sign that Jesus' followers use God's power for healing, not for destruction, not for oppression, but for healing. Second, it says that they come together and break the bread and share their meals together. They ate their meals with exaltation and sincerity of heart. And at these meals, everyone was welcomed. Everyone was invited. And that's what the Messianic banquet is like. That's what life in the reign of God is like. All are welcome to dine at the table. Third, there is the element of trust. And it says that all who believed were together and had all things in common. They would sell their property and possessions and divide them all according to each one's need. So what we see here is the early Christians' willingness to trust in God more than their possessions, and to embody the justice of God, that everyone's needs would be taken care of. And fourth, there is radical equality in the reign of God. Obviously, everyone in this community is an equal. Not one is considered better or lesser than the others. We live now in the reign of God. It is our mission to make the reign of God more visible in the world by doing the very things that Jesus taught us to do, by doing the things that the apostles did in the Jerusalem community, by healing, by sharing meals with all, by trusting in God alone, and by treating everyone as a brother or sister. Have a great Sunday, stay safe and healthy, and thank you for watching.